Number 1. When a body starts from rest and moves with a uniform acceleration, then S proportional to t square. S means here distance, okay. V proportional to root S and V proportional to t. V means velocity, okay. T means time. So now explanation. So we know the formula S equals to ut plus half at square. Here A equals to acceleration, that is uniform, okay. And here from rest, that means u, that is initial velocity, equals to 0. So S proportional to t square, okay. U equals to 0 and A equals to constant, so S proportional to t square. And we also know this formula, v square equals to u square plus twice fs or twice as, okay. A for A, okay, that is acceleration. So v square proportional to s, okay, because here also A is constant and u equals to 0. So v proportional to root s, and from here we got s proportional to t square, so v proportional to root t square, that is v proportional to t, okay. Now number 2. When a body moves with a constant velocity, then S proportional to t and v is constant. Now explanation. S समान vt, okay, we know. So S proportional to t. Here v is constant, okay. Constant velocity means acceleration 0 because force is 0, okay. So there is constant velocity. If there is any force, there will be acceleration, and velocity will not be constant. That it will be changed, maybe in direction or magnitude or both, okay. Now we can also prove it from the above formula, S equals to ut plus half at square. So now A equals to 0, so S समान ut or S समान vt, that is velocity, okay. Now number 3. When a body starts from rest and moves with a uniform acceleration, the ratio of distance in successive seconds is 1:3:5:7 in this way, okay. Successive seconds means first second, second second, third second, okay. Now explanation. Now we must put this formula here. St equals to u plus half a to t minus 1. St means t equals to 1 if we put, that is s1, that means distance traveled in first second. If t equals to 2, that means distance traveled in second second. If t equals to 3, then it means distance traveled in third second, not first 3 seconds, okay, not 2 seconds, okay. This is the difference between the above formula. Here S equals to ut plus half at square. If here t equals to 2 we put, that means distance traveled in 2 seconds, not second. In 3 seconds, not in third second, okay. This is the difference. Here always if t equals to 2, that means second. If t equals to 3, that means third second, not 3 seconds, okay. So now from rest, that means initial velocity 0, so st equals to half a to t minus 1, and now uniform acceleration, that means a equals to constant, so st proportional to t minus 1, okay. If we put t equals to 1, that means 1. If we put t equals to 2, that means 2 into 2 minus 1, that is 3. If we put t equals to 3, that means 5. Okay, so s1 is to s2 is to s3 equals to 1 is to 3 is to 5, and in this way. Okay, from this formula. Okay, thank you.